friends, my name is Denis. Well, here is our Dimitrovsky site. We have already done some work, that is, we made the lathing. Now I'll show you. We made this kind of vertical lathing and did the eaves overhang. We leveled it out completely. We'll show you now how we leveled it out. Here we took any point. Well, we took any point from the blind area and marked 0. And you can mark this all around the perimeter using a water level or a laser. How did we align the soffit to 0? We took a tape measure. Give me the tape measure. We found the lowest point of the eaves overhang and took the measurement. Let's say it's 243. In short, 2 meters and 43 centimeters. We hold the tape measure from this mark, and everywhere, at all the corners, we mark 2 meters and 43 centimeters. On this board, show the board, we lower this bottom board to this measurement, 243 centimeters. The same goes for the soffit board later. There's nothing complicated here. The house is very crooked, so we had to level everything out. Now we'll show you how the finishing will be done. Well, I'll give you an example. I'll show you how these eaves will be finished and with what. I'll show you now. Oh, by the way, we have a gas pipe here. Later we'll show you how we finished it. Technically it shouldn't be covered. We won't cover it. All our soffits are leveled to 0 from the lowest point where we marked. This is for those who don't know that the soffit should also be at 0. So this is roughly how our house will look. Light panels, soffit, there's no window there. We haven't finished the gable yet. Alright, let me show you now. So the chamfer will go here. Grab a bigger piece, a wider one. Why are you making that face? The chamfer will be installed here and it will be trimmed to height. Well, before we install it, we need to screw on the finishing strip. We will screw on the finishing strip according to size. That is, we take the measurement from the bottom board. Can't see it. So let's say we get 12, and along the entire length we place the square and screw on the finishing strip. And then we cut the bevel to size, to the width, and install it. This eaves overhang here will also be finished with a bevel. We'll show you now. So here the bevel will be screwed in like this. From below this bevel, well, this piece we do it up to the battens. And then we'll take a J channel like this. We'll use this J channel to press the bevel like this. The skirting panels will be inserted here and the soffits will be inserted on top here. When we finish all this, you'll see how it will all look. We cut off the excess. This is how we insert it. Here's the finishing strip that goes under the top. That's it, just like that. And at the bottom it's screwed in, but not too tight. And up here, locks aren't necessary because the gutter system will be attached to the front here, the bracket for the gutter. So the finishing strip is screwed in here. Here it is under the roof. We had to unscrew the roof a bit to even out the surface to one level. The old house has a crooked roof. Next, we'll show how all of this will look overall. By the way, here we put the boards down in one piece so that the whole house is nice and even. Here we've almost installed the chamfer as well. The front part will be covered with a chamfer. Then we'll add another chamfer from below and start installing the soffits.